Greetings and welcome to the Introduction to Astronomy. In this episode of Multicultural Astronomy, we will explore the contributions of Bhaskara I and how his work helped refine the mathematical methods used to understand the motions of the heavens. So let's get started. By the 7th century, Indian astronomy had become a deeply mathematical tradition. Scholars were developing increasingly precise methods to calculate the motion of celestial bodies. Among those who carried this tradition forward was the astronomer and mathematician Bhaskara I. Rather than introducing an entirely new system, Bhaskara I focused on something equally important. He worked to clarify, preserve, and refine the ideas of earlier astronomers. In doing so, he helped ensure that the key astronomical knowledge could be understood and used by future generations. Bhaskara I is known for his commentaries on the work of Aryabhatta. These commentaries explained and expanded on the ideas found in the Aryabhatiya. This was not a simple summary. Bhaskara I worked carefully to interpret complex mathematical and astronomical concepts, making them clearer for other scholars. In a tradition where knowledge was often expressed in concise verses, explanation was essential. Without detailed interpretation, important ideas could easily be misunderstood. Through his work, Bhaskara I helped preserve the mathematical astronomy introduced by Aryabhatta and ensured its continued use. One of Bhaskara I's most notable contributions was his work in trigonometry, especially the sine function. In astronomy, the sine function is used to calculate angles and positions in the sky. This makes it essential for determining planetary motion and celestial coordinates. Bhaskara I developed an approximation formula for the sine function that was remarkably accurate for its time. This allowed astronomers to perform calculations more efficiently without needing extensive tables for every value. With improved mathematical tools, astronomers could calculate positions in the sky with greater precision. By Bhaskara I's time, astronomy had clearly become a discipline grounded in mathematical calculation. Astronomers were increasingly relying on mathematical models alongside observation. They were using mathematical models to determine planetary positions, predict celestial events, and refine astronomical tables. Bhaskara I's work reflects this shift. His contributions helped make astronomical methods more systematic and reliable. Bhaskara I represents an important part of the ongoing development of Indian astronomy. He stands within a lineage that includes Aryabhatta, Vajramihira, Brahmagupta. His work helped ensure that these ideas were clearly understood and effectively applied. So that concludes our discussion on Bhaskara I and the refinement of astronomical calculation. We'll be back again next time for another episode of Multicultural Astronomy. So until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.